This is a very important point, and I want all the young people within the hearing of my voice to listen and listen well. Many of our young people are saying that they will not vote. And I'm here to tell you, young people, that your vote is your voice. Don't give away your power. There are so many before us who fought for this freedom, and the future is ours to take. We have to stand up as young people in this country and say, time come for us to can live good in our own country. Time come for us to be able to own a home. Time come for us to be able to own a business. Time come, comrades, for us as young professionals, young people, to be able to feel a sense of dignity. The People's National Party is ready to make sure that young people in this country see real change. We are ready to not just give you hype and claps and all kind of foolishness. We are ready to meet with you. We are ready to walk with you. We are ready to work with you so that you can see a Jamaica where you feel good to live, raise your families, work, and do business. We're not stopping because we know that time is here. Young people, we're fed up and we want better in this country. Time come. We're giving you a warning, Prime Minister. We're ready and we're not back down. PNP strong. We're ready. Time come.